Hello, music class. Okay, so for this week, we're going to be working on learning the treble clef staff again, the notes on the treble clef staff. You're going to be learning about the line notes and the space notes, but for this week, we're just going to work on really digging in and learning the line note letter names. So let's get to it. All right, you're going to start by clicking on the TV right here, and you're going to watch a video about line and space notes. And then next up, I'm going to have you do this worksheet down here. So you'll click down on worksheet number 1, open that up. If you have a printer, you can go ahead and print it. If not, you can just read off the notes. So remember that for line notes on the treble clef, we say every good boy does fine. We always start at the bottom and work our way up. So this line is every, next one is good, next is boy, next is does, and next is fine. So that means that any note on these lines, this line would be E, G, B, D, and F. Okay, so I'm going to help you with this first one. I'm going to start with the bottom line, every. Next line up is good. So this note is on the good line, which is G, G for good. So we're going to write G right here. Okay. All right, so you're going to print this out, and we went over this a lot in Zoom class, and you guys all seem to really get it, so I'm really confident, but just always remember every good boy does fine, going from the bottom to the top, okay? Alrighty, and next thing, whoops. All right, next thing we have is I want you to work on practicing chords again. We took a little brief break to learn I'm a Little Teapot, where you were just playing individual notes, but now we're gonna go back to chords. So you're gonna click down here on the ukulele and play along. These are some simple chords. We're just gonna do C, C, F, and A minor. So I'm gonna play this real quick so I can show you what you'll be doing. Make sure your ukulele is tuned before you do this, and it's going to tell you how many times to play the chord and then also the strumming pattern. So D is for down, so just down, 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 down. It's telling us that we're going to do 1 strum per chord. So 1 down strum per chord. It tells us what's coming up next right here. Still on 1 strum per chord. Okay, and then it'll move on and get harder where it'll have you do, okay, so now it's gonna do 2 strums per chord. Okay, so you guys can follow along with that and just get more comfortable, or not more comfortable, but comfortable again with playing chords versus just playing single notes. All right, and then last on here is your rhythm reading. So you're gonna click on these books down here, and you're gonna follow along with this one. And this is a song by Ella Fitzgerald. Remember, we learned about her back in February. So you can either choose to clap it, say it, grab a couple markers and play it like on like drumsticks. And yeah, should be an easy one. Okay, and lastly, you're gonna click down here on Sal, open up this video, and this is going to be a song association game. So what that means is it's going to be, and everything is Disney on this. So what it's going to do is it's going to give you a word, and it'll give you 10 seconds to try to think of a song that has that word in it, a Disney song that has that word in it. So go ahead and grab your family, your friends, whoever you're going to be playing with, and see who can get the most points. You get 1 point per correct song, whoever calls it out first. All right, so let me play it real quick so I can show you. All right, whoops. All right, so the first word is part. So I got to think of a song, a Disney song that has the word part in it. I can think of one, but I'm not going to say it. I'll let you guys do that. All right, and then I'll go on to the next word, give you 10 seconds, and so on and so forth. Okay, I think that is it for this week. I hope you guys have a great week, and I'll see you next time.